It was a nail-biting week that wiped out stop losses and had a steep climb to close flat on most of the indices. With the sharp recovery, Nifty gets more top heavy, more and more weakness setting in the index. It can have a small rally from where we are now and then give way to the bears. The beauty of today's market is that it will not have a deep drop in the price, it will only have a small correction. Coming to Bank Nifty, it mimics the Nifty. 31,000 can be a challenging place for Bank Nifty from where it can succumb to the bear pressure. Again, not a steep drop, only a small correction. Pharma has been adding more and more weakness among the market sectors today as this sector is inching up slowly towards new highs. Need to be pretty cautious with the stocks in this sector. It will be an excellent option to book maximum profits from your pharma holdings and carry a light position. If these stocks have to go up from here, your light position will help you cover the gains that will come in future. While if these stocks have to turn down, you have already made maximum profits from your positions. Your stop losses will help you have a minimum give back. Sun Pharma, Cadila and Biocon are among the few bullish stocks in the pharma sector today. One sector that sprung a big surprise this week was IT. Most of the tech-based stocks gave big gains this week. Many of them have even reached for a new 52-week high. While these big gains came from these stocks, all of them are building more weakness on their stock prices. Here, the pattern shows that these stocks will not have a big drop, while they will give very good short-term buying opportunities in the coming days. Stocks to look for in the IT space in today's market is Infosys, Tech Mahindra, Mindtree, TCS, Wipro and L&T Infotech. Consumer durables, metals and realty as a sector have been getting stronger and stronger as the markets are climbing up. When metals and realty do well, it gives an indication that the broad market is getting into joyful days. More employment, more income, more spending and the spiral continues. You can have the following stocks in your track list for the near-term buying opportunities: SAIL, Tata Steel, National Aluminium, NMDC, Titan, V-Guard and Crompton Greaves. As the list of qualified stocks gets bigger and bigger, it gives a clear message that you are going to have happy days coming to you. All of this gives more money-making opportunities from the market. One segment today in the market that has been extremely active is financials. All the subgroups in the financials like services, housing, banking, both private and public, have been on a joyride. What changed here? The expectation that when the economy does well, finance will be a need for every business is what is moving up the sector. Public sector banks, which had a big run in the last few weeks, had a sudden slippage. The energy that these stocks carried had helped them to get back to normal at the same speed at which they slipped. The financial sector, along with its subgroups, have a long way to go on their uphill journey. There is a big list of stocks that qualify for a buying opportunity in this sector in the coming days. Before we go to opportunities this week, let's look at how our opportunity ideas have fared so far. Monday meltdown has taken out some stocks with profits. This is a list of closed and open positions. Two of the opportunities from the big list in the video and the rest are made available in the stock discussions group. Send a WhatsApp request to the contact given in the description or at the end of the video to join the group. The first stock for the week is a housing finance company, a government owned, a parent that is a premium insurer of the country. Yes, it is LIC Housing Finance that's given a buying opportunity this week. The second stock is a NBFC owned by a automobile conglomerate of our country, a parent that has its presence from tractors to two-wheelers to SUV. It is Mahindra Finance. Both these stocks along with many in the financials, gas and power sector, have given a trend buying signal which has more than 50% winning probability. Take positions with appropriate stop loss and trail them. In this manner, you can help protect your capital and also lock profits as the stocks are going up. Looks like 2021 is going to be a bonanza year for stock investors. Happy 2021 in advance. Enjoy your money making journey. Thank you.